Hi, I'm Beth Slazak,
And I'm Missy Carbon.
and this is CEF Presents The Progress Tree, part of our How to Make Decisions series, sponsored by the Chicago Student Invention Convention and the Creative Education Foundation.
The progress tree is a tool that helps you figure out the steps to take to reach your goal. So it's important to know you use this tool after you know what your goal is.
Step one is simply draw the outline of a big tree. Step two, write what you want to accomplish, your end goal at the top. Then just fill a bunch of Post-its with all of the steps that you need to accomplish that goal. And finally, start placing those relative to how early or late in the process they should appear.
Here's why the progress tree is useful. It's useful when your goal spawns a lot of ideas that you're going to need to work with to reach that goal. When you're trying to organize lots of related ideas around one central theme. When you need to align steps in groups, who does what or where this is going to happen, and you can use the branches for that. When you aren't clear on the necessary steps to reach your goal, or when there are a lot of moving pieces and you need to see how they all relate to each other.
When do we use the progress tree? Well, if we need to develop an idea or organize related thoughts, when we need to flesh out the in-between steps of a big plan, and when we want to have a visual artifact later on for our plan.
You can also use the progress tree in these kinds of situations, when you're creating a timeline, when you're exploring what parts of your idea are foundational and which are extensions, or when you're showing off a plan in an attractive manner or presentation.
The progress tree is just a tool that helps you figure out the steps you need to take to reach what your goal is.
Thank you so much for tuning in. This video was produced by the Creative Education Foundation in conjunction with the Chicago Student Invention Convention. You can find us at our websites, www.creativeeducationfoundation.org or www.chicagoinnovation.com. Our emails are here on the screen. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.